Romano here, and we flew all the way from Western Mass to make it on time, so. Let me read the letter from the governor. Dear council, I'm pleased to nominate Ms. Patricia Wood for a reappointment as a member of the Appellate Tax Board, term expiring on February 2021. Submit this nomination and resignation for the advice and consent of the Executive Council, pursuant to Mass General Laws, Chapter 58A, Section 1. Consideration of this nominee as designated executive meeting. Sincerely, Charles E. Baker. With that, I would ask Thomas Hammond Jr. to step forward and give your statement.
Good morning, Councilor. Good morning, Councilor Romano. Everyone.
Council Ryan Ellis here.
Councilor Ryan Ellis.
Good morning, good to see you. You forgot me.
I did,
I could cost you.
but I do know the Copplestones. They're good friends of ours, so I think we have a relationship with them.
I do,
Chris,
I
he's getting older, so you gotta get, you know.
So I'm here to testify in support of Patricia. I've known her since 2004. We worked together in the Revenue Department for a number of years as litigators. We litigated several cases. When I was appointed to the Appellate Tax Board in 2006, I sought to bring Patricia down to the board as a staff attorney who needed some help writing legal opinions and drafting motions and orders. And she came down in that capacity, did an excellent job. And since that point, she was appointed to fill a term that was unexpired due to the retirement of the commissioner. So she's been on the board for about 3 years. I can attest to the fact that she conducts a fair hearing. She listens to the parties. She educates the pro se taxpayers so they're aware of all the implications of the tax laws, which, as we know, are not the easiest to understand. And her decisions are fair. I've seen her in the courtroom. She's patient. She respects the parties. She respects the process, and she issues timely decisions that have not been overturned since she's been a commissioner. So she's done an excellent job. I think she's got the state tax experience, which is extremely important in her position. A lot of our cases are property tax cases, which you don't theoretically have to be an attorney to hear, but it certainly is helpful given the implications of a lot of the legal issues. But the state tax appeals are very technical, based on the general laws. And, you really need that familiarity to be able to deal with those cases. And she's been doing that since 2004. She has a private sector experience before that. So I would strongly recommend her. I respect her as a colleague. I respect her as a friend. She's an excellent family person with 3 children living in Walpole. She just does a great job. So I would urge the council to approve her reappointment. And I'm happy to answer questions.
There doesn't appear to be a Democratic way, a Republican way to collect taxes or do the work that you do. So is it unusual for a board member to go from one administration to another?
Well, I was appointed by Governor Romney and reappointed by Governor Patrick. I mean, I think I can go back to the days when the Revenue Department had some scandals, and Professor McDaniel did a study saying that politics really has no place in tax administration. That's when corruption creeps in. So we like to think that we're as apolitical as you could be and just call them as we see it. So it really, we're not predisposed one way or the other. We rule out the merits.
I know you do, but is it unusual for someone to go from one administration to another, or is generally is the board held over based on work that you do?
Yeah, it's pretty much based on the work that we do. I mean, it's a lot of law students do not take tax in law school, so it's a very limited bar that people practice in. I can say that we've probably had most of the same practitioners appear before us for many, many years. It's really kind of a niche practice, and I think given that, it's not uncommon to see commissions held over from administration.
Cisco, Chief Legal Counsel for the Atty.
Thank you, Councilor. Good morning. I'll keep it brief. Tom touched on most of the points that already made. Trish, I just want to amplify a couple of things, just in terms of temperament, versatility, and integrity that she brings to the board. Tom mentioned the patience with which he deals with pro se taxpayers. We do have quite a few of those. She also runs a tight hearing with some of the most seasoned tax counsels city. So she goes both understanding for the pro se's who often are not very schooled in tax law and are emotional about their tax appeals, and also with the hardened, seasoned litigators that we hear from. In terms of versatility, Tom mentioned her experience with the Department of Revenue and her technical state tax experience, but I think she learned quite a bit about the property side. She worked in the legal department and had to write opinions dealing with complex commercial properties throughout the Commonwealth. And she's done that since she's been on the board. Often people bring a unique skill set to the board, either on the property side or the Department of Revenue side. Trish has versatility to handle both sides of the problem. And that's a real benefit to the board, contribute to the board. And finally, integrity. We've had some vigorous discussions with Trish on the board. She's always questioning how things are handled, why things are the way they are, why we rule the way we do. And she's doing it because how we always handle these kinds of cases, looks into it, we debate it out, and it's really, she's looking for the right answer in all of these tax appeals, and not just for how it's always done or the identity of a particular party. So I've gotten to know her quite well since Tom brought her down to the board. I've been around the board for a long time. I've served as Tom's chief, a number of former chairman's chief. And I can honestly say, Trish is at the top of the pyramid in terms of quality, capable commissioners.
Thank you, Attorney. Any questions? Okay, go to the mic, David.
Thank you so much. Good morning, councilors. I've been Nikki Marshall. I'm very honored to have been nominated by the governor. And I'm very grateful for you for scheduling us here this morning. I have a lot of nominations to consider, so I appreciate you asking that. I was here before you 3 years ago. And at that time, I come out of the legal department and board. I've been there for 6 years. And I tried to tell you at that time why I thought I was qualified for this position and why I could do a good job. Now, 3 years later, I've heard decided hundreds and hundreds of appeals, and I hope that you will agree that I'm not any less qualified than I was before to do this job. So I thought about what could I tell you today in one of some objective ways to demonstrate that I am doing the job and solve the ultimate benchmark in what we do is your decisions that are so it's the case that not every case that comes through the board is a appeal. And as you know, the life cycle of the appeals pretty long. So not that many have gone through, but 2 of my cases have been and I can say they have both been upheld on appeal. In affirming one of my decisions, the appeals court called it a thoughtful assertion and analysis. I was happy with that characterization of it. I heard and cited that appeal. I also wrote the findings. I was pleased that they bothered to say that about it. So that's what they had to say about me. I have those 2 decisions here, but if you want to see them as well. Interestingly, if you look at those 2 decisions, one was one went for the government, one went for the taxpayer. One was the one that went for the taxpayer was urgently the one that went for the government and denial at a very small aid. I hope that those 2 decisions tell you that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do on these cases, hearing and deciding each one on the merits based on the evidence presented with no bias or preconception. I've been doing this just long enough that I've actually
Just 2 points. What is the most significant case you've had? If you could respond to that. And then has the board had any significant cases? I just recall when I was mayor of Springfield, we had a case where we had an assisted living project that was built by Bay State. And there was some question on the assisted living valuation as opposed to the medical services that were provided. And one had a different valuation, I guess, than the other. And that was a significant case. So what was your most significant case that you've been to, either as council or as a board member? And have there been any, real significant cases that would have statewide implications since your tenure?
Well, one that recently has been decided is the most significant emerging area, and that's solar power energy. That's just an expanding area, and so they're looking for clarification as that really grows. The language of the statutes has to change. People are starting to question, how far does this go from the legislature? Is it covering what's going on now? And those are good questions. So that's one area that's sort of emerging and changing, and I have been involved with some of my cases. Most significant, that's hard to say. I've just had some very large, high dollar value cases. One of them, so not one of those stands out as more significant than another, but again, some really high dollar valuations.
Okay. Well, you've done a great job by any objective standards and certainly look forward to voting for you. And I would ask the chair if you would consider moving this at the assembly since it's a reappointment. And,
Well,
you can wait, just ask for your consideration.
anything else?
No?
Two questions. A lot of my constituents are unfamiliar with the Appellate Tax Board. How many members? And like, how many hearings do you handle, say, a week?
It's highly variable. I would say the average number in a year is about 100. A week, I hear 6 or 7. Some weeks it could be 0 to 5 people.
And you hear the case by yourself?
You did.
And then, okay, so you hear a case, and who votes on the case?
So all 5 board members do with one caveat. There's a small set of cases where our which is also a member. Those are smaller dollar valuations, smaller issues. The chairman does for each of those cases. The chairman, they are written up and those percentages. He approves it.
But I would think that if a member's not present, he's not gonna vote differently, or she, differently than you. It must very, really happen.
I mean, there's sort of a rule, hearing officer who heard the case, that's the evidence, determine who's present or weak, but, all 5 members have to vote. We want people to be informed, like myself, in their practice of running a thorough memo. We want everyone to know what the case was.
I understand, but percentage-wise, ballpark, 99% of the people, if they're ready with a decision, the other members will go along. I mean, that's just what I think, I went there,
Yeah, most of the time that is true. There, we have had dissents, they happen.
but very.
Rare.
I don't have any questions, your council's been very supportive of you, he called me on your behalf, and when your name comes before the council, I believe it'll be next week, I'll be more than happy to support you. Thank you.
Your council dining with us, and your turn.
Good morning. Well, we've been waiting for you. Congratulations. I'm sorry, the traffic was so bad. I'm here, I'm ready to go straight, so I will listen to the tape. When did your term expire? Was it February 2015? Wow. That's a long time to wait. I said last week, when your name came up, I said, imagine getting up every morning and going to work and your term is expired and you don't know, when the other shoe would drop. I was worried. So I'm very pleased, I have to say. I know when you first came, the people that came in and talked to you, the experience that you had brought to the board. And I know talking to the different members of the board, they would go to you for advice that with your your background, coming onto the, board, Department of Revenue and all of that, so that's so important, you didn't have to learn on the job what to do. So, I don't really have any questions except to ask, has the workload changed at all since your first term?
No, I think that we're pretty consistent with all.
So what, would you say there is a majority of certain type of cases that come up rather than others?
Yeah, I think our bread and butter,
Do many citizens come to challenge their local, I remember there was someone from Watertown and, you know, and he said, was there anything I could do about it? I said, well, there's one place you could go, it's called tax board, and he was treated very well, and I was pleased with that. Because if I recommended you to go and it didn't work out well, I would have felt bad. So there really needs to be change in your work, you're saying, is that right?
yeah, I think it's been pretty consistent.
So you're just as busy?
Yeah, we always have customers.
Well, I have to say, you know, that I've been here and I've seen the people on the appellate tax board, and I'm really so pleased. You have a great board, very proud of them, and the way they treat people. When I first got elected, there was a woman on there, and she was rude to everybody, to citizens coming in, trying to appeal their taxes, to different people with other cases. And I was so pleased when she left, because I got so many complaints about it. And I have about one complaint about any board member, only praise, that is so fair, all of you. So I'm very pleased. I'm sorry that you had to wait this long. My only feel was the other shoe would drop and someone else would be appointed. And I thought, what a travesty that would be, because with young knowledge, we really need you there. So congratulations.
Thank you, Council Ferrera, join us.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
I've heard good things about you from people that are in your line of work. Some might be able. Tell me about, I have a friend who represented someone with solar panels last year, so tell me about your knowledge of the solar panel issue.
Yeah, we were just talking about that.
Oh, sorry, I missed.
That's okay. That's something that has come before us, recently, very recently. So the way that people are, that is coming before us. How far does this statute go? The language, so solar power and people's usage of it,
That was a decision that you guys handled last year, is that right?
we had one that came out.
Town of Swansea,
Yeah.
was that the big seminal case, or are there others?
There was one that preceded it in 2014. Swansea was kind of the next step.
Okay.
So, that was before me.
I know some very happy people, including the lawyer and the municipal problem. But they acting up the guys decided. Tell me about power plants. So I'm from Somerset. We had two power plants. We're down to one. And as you know, taxes, we pay 50% of our taxes. So tell me about the how that works, the valuation, devaluation of power plants.
Well, those, we have had a few of those, usually the chairman handles those. But we have had some of those. I have not personally handled any of them.
And where a municipality has an agreement with the power plant, are those ever challenged in any way? Oh, well, say they agree to a lump sum over a 20-year period, then they decide 1 5 site, not such a good idea. Or they expire, and there's contentiousness about whether or not it's gonna be expanded.
We as a board have not worked waiting on the contract agreement. So.
So, tell me about the way that, power plants with values work. Is it, who hires the experts, and are there just a handful in the area that do that work?
Yeah, the case of hire, there are some regulars that come before us.
Do you have individual hearings, or you just sit as a board?
We have hearings that are all individual, we decide.
You've been doing this for quite a while, so you need some capacity or not. Great, based on what I've done my research, you have great credentials to your recommendations.
Thank you. You've come a long way since your days as an assistant DA.
Yeah.
We've heard nothing but good things about you. I just want to state publicly, last time we ran out of time to vote for you, but we asked the government to allow us to vote for all of us. In any event,